What's up you guys, I'm Sam from CreateWebsitesEasily.com, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up ONELINK for your Amazon Associates account. If you haven't already set up your Amazon affiliate account, make sure you do before watching this video. I also made a video on how to do that. You can click over here or click on the link in the description. Amazon ONELINK is a feature on the Amazon Associates website which allows you to receive commissions from different countries around the world. The participating countries are the USA, UK, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and Japan. Now let me show you how to set up your Amazon Associates account with ONELINK. Make sure you're logged onto your Amazon Associates account. Once you're logged on, all you have to do is go to Tools, then go to ONELINK. Now click here to link your accounts. So you'll see all the countries that are participating in the Amazon Associates program. As you can see, it's the UK, Canada, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, and Japan. I recommend signing up for all of them because it only takes 10 to 15 minutes and you'll get commissions for every single country listed here. So all you have to do is click on the country you want to sign up for, then click on sign up here. Now just sign into your Amazon account and then click send one-time password and you'll get an email with this code. Just copy and paste the code back into the browser as you can see here. Copy that and paste it in here and then click continue. Over here you should see your name and address. If that information is wrong, click someone else on the first question and then enter in your information. For the second question, just select if you're a US citizen or live in the US, then click next. Now just get the link to your website or your mobile app. So I'm going to use my YouTube channel. I'm going to copy the link and paste it over here and then click add and then click next. This is the exact same process you go through when you first sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Just repeat these steps for every country you want to get a commission in. I recommend signing up for all of them. Once you submit the application, you'll get the associate ID for that country. Copy that associate ID. Now just go back to the link your account section, click on the country you chose, enter in the code, and then click link store. Once the store is linked, the status should be verified in green, as you can see over here, and now you're eligible to earn affiliate commissions in that country. Now let's go back, and as you can see, for the European countries, you can sign up all at once. All you have to do is click sign up now and boom, your affiliate IDs will be generated. Now just repeat the step we did before, copy the affiliate ID into the country, then click link store and you'll be eligible to earn affiliate commissions in these countries. Now once you're done, go back to this page and you can enter in your tax information now or later. I would just choose later until you start getting commissions in that country, then you can fill it out. After you're done that, you'll be taken to the Amazon Associates page for the country. I'm on the United Kingdom's associate page and it's the exact same thing as the other ones. So now let me sign up for Canada. It's the same steps as we've been through before. Just click sign up here. And now let me cut to when I've done the application. Now I just finished signing up for the Canada Associates account. And now I'm going to copy my associate ID and then paste it into the Canada section and then click link store. And as you can see, it's validated. Now I'm going to exit out of this and now I'm going to do Japan. Registering for Japan is a little bit trickier. You have to create a whole new account. So just click that gray button at the bottom and then use Google Translate to translate the page and then sign up as you normally would. And once you've successfully registered, you'll get your associate ID like I got mine over here. I'm going to copy that and paste it into the Japan section. Now I'm going to click link store and there you go, it's been verified. As you can see, I've registered for every single country and it probably took me about 15 to 20 minutes because the Japan application was a little bit longer. Now this is going to be the last step. I'm going to show you how to easily get Amazon Associate links and how to check if your links work for different countries. So first you have to go to Tools and then click on ONELINK. Go to Additional Settings and choose a country you want to test where the link works in. I'm going to select Canada. Now go to Redirect Preferences and there's two options over here. I'd recommend leaving it at Close Match because Close Match will give you the closest item to your item if it's not there for the affiliate link, and Exact Match will only find the exact item. Now let's go to the last section, which is check matching products. This is where you'll be able to see if your affiliate link works in other countries. So to do that, we have to go to Amazon.com and get an affiliate link for a product. So I'm going to search up GoPro, click enter, and make sure you're logged into your associates account as well. Now just choose the product. So for me, it's this one. Now go to the top bar over here, click on text, and then click on full link and then copy that link over there. This is the easiest way to get your affiliate link. Now let's go back, then just paste the link into the bar over here and then click on check. As you can see, there's two links, one for Amazon.com and one for the country that I'm testing for, which is Amazon.ca. And as you can see, there's a link for GoPro in Canada. Now let's check if this link works for another country. I'm going to select Germany, and once the page reloads, Go to redirect preferences, make sure close match is selected. Now go to check matching products and then use the same link you used for the last one. Just paste it in and then click check. And unfortunately, that listing is not available in Germany. So now let's try another country. Let's do the UK. So just wait till the page to refresh and go to redirect preferences, make sure it's on close match, and then just paste in the link again and click check. And luckily it does work. There is a link for amazon.co.uk, and there's also one thumbs up as well, which is great. You can also click on the link if you want to see what the page looks like itself. So as you can see, we're on the amazon.co.uk site, and the price is in pounds. It's 239.8 pounds to buy the GoPro. So this is going to be all for the video. I've taught you how to set up OneLink with your Amazon Associates account. I've also taught you how to check if your links work and how to get affiliate links as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you did, and also comment videos down below that you want me to do. I'll be uploading more Amazon related videos as well as website tutorials. So just let me know what you guys want to see. And also, if you subscribe to this channel, this puppy will get a treat. See you guys in the next video.